Amino acids are organic components that contain amine group and carboxyl group and functional group, along with the side chain or groups specific to each amino acid. The key elements of amino acid are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, although other elements are found in the side chain of certain amino acids. All the different types of protein inside our body from a collection of 20 types of amino acids. All the different types of protein inside our body from a collection of 20 types of amino acids, and all of these amino acids are known as alpha amino acid. So let's begin by discussing what amino acid. They made up of monomers and then built up to what we call polymers. In this case we are looking at the monomer, the small subunit amino acid. So we're beginning now. Any amino acid is made up of amine group that symbol nitrogen, two hydrogens that we call an amine. They are moving on go carbon with double bond oxygen OH that we call the carboxyl group. The amine group and the carboxylic acid together is an amino acid, and here functional groups make it different. So every amino acid have this co-structure amine carbon carboxyl. So the R group is the only unique feature in each amino acid, with the exception of glycine, which has an R group consists of hydrogen atom. All of the amino acid and protein have 4 different groups attached, and consequently can exist in 2 mirror image, L form and D form, with only very minor exceptions. Every amino acid found in cells and in protein There are 20 kinds of amino acids that support the body, each having their own functions, and we could divide it to essential, semi-essential, non-essential. The essential can be synthesized in our body, must be taken in diet, and its deficiency lead to disease, such as leucine, isoleucine, tryptophan, methionine, serine, valine, phenylalanine, lysine. And semi-essential is amino acid required in food of children but not required in food of adults, as histidine and arginine. Non-essential can be synthesized in our body, not important to be taken in diet, as serine, alanine, cysteine, cysteine, glutamic acid, glutamine, proline, hydroxyproline, and lysine, aspartic acid, and tyrosine. We have other classification according to side chain, non-polar side chain and polar side chain. Non-polar side chain, aliphatic and aromatic. The aliphatic non-polar side chain are glycine, alanine, valine, lysine, isoleucine, methionine, proline. The aromatic non-polar side chain are phenylalanine and tryptophan. Polar side chain are polar uncharged, basic, and acidic. The polar uncharged polar side chain are asparagine, glutamine, serine, tyrosine, cysteine. The basic polar side chain are lysine, histidine, arginine. The acidic polar side chain are aspartic acid and glutamic acid. A peptide bond is an amide type of covalent chemical bond linked to consecutive alpha amino acids from carbon 1 of one alpha amino acid and nitrogen 2 of another along a peptide or protein chain. It can also be called eupeptide to separate it from isopeptide bond, a different type of amide bond between two amino acids. Importance of amino acid. It helping growth of muscle, connective tissue and skin, helping maintain muscle tone and tissue strength, healing and repair, normal digestion, providing energy for our body, regulating moods by helping produce hormones, producing neurotransmitters, maintaining healthy skin, hair, nails, important in fat metabolism, tissue growth, and for immune system. Supplementing amino acid can reduce natural muscle losing in aging individuals, especially when used in conjunction with resistant training. Special cases of amino acid. Health adult human or nitrogen balance, sometimes referred to as zero nitrogen balance. nitrogen intake equal to nitrogen excreted, mainly as urea in the urine. We have negative nitrogen balance and positive nitrogen balance. Negative nitrogen balance, nitrogen intake less nitrogen excreted. Negative nitrogen balance occurs when excess amino acids are metabolized, producing increased ammonia and ammonia ion, and can result from insufficient dietary protein or defect of one or more of the essential amino acids in the diet. Positive nitrogen balance, nitrogen intake, more nitrogen excreted. Positive nitrogen balance results primarily when nutrition is produced, such as during body growth in childhood and adolescence, and during pregnancy, and during major wound healing, and after major surgery.